What's up, YouTube? Ken Get Right, back with another video. Today we're going to be going off of the Holosun HE507C GR-X2 series. This reticle is in the green. It has the 2 MOA dot, 2 MOA dot, and 32 MOA circle, as you can see. Let's get straight to it. What we have in a box is a user manual. Cleaning cloth. Your T10L key. Feel your screws to mount your optic down. And the Holosun itself. Very fine, nicely built. As you can see, it's an open reflex optical designed for your pistol applications, for your Glocks. May put one on the 1911, your rifle, or anything you're thinking about putting it on. Has the solo fail-safe, the shaker weight, multiple reticle systems, multi-layer, reflective glass. Like I said, it has a circle dot, 2 MOA dot, 32 MOA circle, battery lasts up to 50,000 hours. That's when it's on a 6th setting. I have 12 brightness settings. And is night vision compatible. The convenience tray is on the right side. Parallax free, so you can have unlimited eye relief. It's very, very light. Like I said, this reticle is gray. Buttons are kind of cool. Let's go with the brightness. Let's go to the high settings. I'm trying to get it in the camera for you, get it focused. That's the lighters. The only thing about the buttons are pretty small and it's hard to press. So if you have big fingers, big thumbs, or whatever, the button is pretty hard to push. My fingers are not that big and it's still not that easy to press. That's probably like the best setting right there. The camera don't really pick up on it, so I can't really show you. The reticle that much better. But I think it's pretty cool, pretty good to put on a pistol. It looks nice. For the price of around $400, you might can find it a little bit cheaper at Bass Pro. But I think I picked this one up from Sportsman Warehouse. It was around that $369, which is not bad. Anything over $400, I probably won't. I probably will pay for it, but it's better to find a deal than pick these up for under $400. Yeah, that's very nice. The battery it takes is the CR1632. And like I said, the battery hours lifespan is about 50,000 hours. 10 brightness settings. The window size is a 0.63 by 0.91. Dimensions is 1.78 by 115 by 1.15. The weight, like I said, is very light. So yeah, 1.5 ounces. The housing itself is made out of the 7075 T6 with the anodized aluminum surface finish. Adjustments per click would be the 1 MOA. Travel range would be that 50 MOA. Again, I think it's pretty cool, pretty nice. It was a good buy. Would I recommend it? Yes, I recommend it. I will be putting this on one of my pistols and taking it to the range and giving y'all an update and some views on that. So y'all can check that out if y'all interested in buying one. But again, yes, I will buy one of these. Also, it will work without the battery. And the solar will charge it. I like that they got the shake awake where you just wake up when you pick it up. I think that's pretty cool. And then it got the auto brightness, so if you're inside at the range or if you're outside, it's gonna auto adjust for you. And then you do have your settings that you can set it to, which is pretty cool, pretty tight for something this small. But this is the Holosun HE507C, GR for green. And thank you for watching. Leave me some comments. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you, YouTube. Signing out. And again, purchase you one of these. And we out.